guys, what's up? I am back again with another skincare video. I hope that you have liked my previous skincare video which I have done in 2020. So if you haven't watched that yet, do drop me a comment. I will share the link with all of you to watch it again. So guys, today I'm going to talk about skincare again, and I'm going to share an update. That's what has happened to my skin in the last few months. So my skin was not reacting very fine while I was going through a bad phase in terms of skin. I was having a lot of acne breakouts, especially on my cheek areas and my jawline and my chin. So I was suffering with a lot of acne and a lot of acne marks. So I've not been promoting and any sending out any content to you guys. And you must be wondering that why I stopped uploading content on skincare, because I was experimenting with a lot of products that will be useful to solve the problems that I have faced as per my skin conditions, which is acne and whiteheads, blackheads, and so on, and acne marks. So since I have been trying out various couple of products, I will be talking about straight cut to the products that have proved a savior for my skin during the bad times. So I'm going to talk about a regimen that I have recently started. I've been trying out that regimen for the last 3 months, and it has been tried and tested by me. My skin type is a combination skin type, and it is acne prone. So if you guys have a similar skin type, and if you guys are dealing with skin issues like acne, pimple marks, or redness, or any sort of acne, not the severe ones, but like normal acne, so you can follow this regimen and you can follow those products if you want to. So I'm going to share a brand which I have been trying out recently from the last 3 months, and it has given me results. Like you can see, my skin is pretty much acting fine now, touch wood, by the God grace. And so I have been loving the products from the brand called Plum. So they are a natural, vegan, chemical free based organic skincare brand. So Plum have a green tea range which is for combination and oily acne skin prone type people. So if you have a combination oily or an acne prone skin, you can go for the green tea regimen like I do. So I religiously follow the regimen from the last 3 months, and the results are just amazing. So the results are very amazing. I'm amazed to see that how my acne has disappeared, how my redness has gone, how my pimple marks has subdued over the time. So I'm sharing the regimen with you all, like how I countered my acne with this regimen. So in this regimen, you have to follow the weekly and the normal regular skincare. So it comes in a very cute pouch like this. So it is from Plum, and it is 100% vegan, organic, and chemical free, so you can try it without a doubt. So in this sort of a pouch, which costs you around 1700 or 1800 rupees, and you can also get discounts on that. So you can check on their website and see the discounts and the coupon codes that are available. So I'll show you the weekly, the normal CTM routine which you need to follow. So for that, the first product is obviously the face wash. So you need to use a face wash which is from Plum, and it has green tea, it has mild granules which will clean your skin from within. It is a pore cleansing face wash. Also, you can use this face wash twice a day to see visible results. So this face wash is amazing. I have been using it from past 3 months, and it has given me amazing results. So the first thing is the face wash. The second thing in the CTM is obviously a toner. So this is a toner from Plum which I'm using. It is a green tea alcohol free toner. It has glycolic acid as well, which is an antioxidant and an anti-aging properties as well. So after you wash your face, you have to tone your face with that. After that, after cleansing and toning, you need to moisturize your face. So as a moisturizer, I'm using again the Plum green tea mattifying moisturizer. I hope it is visible. So I'll share all the links, guys. I'll share the links where you can buy these products from Plum. So this is the only routine that you need to follow daily, twice a day, like in the morning and before you go to bed. So this CTM routine will definitely give you results if you be consistent. Don't be lazy with your skin, guys. Skincare is aesthetic. You need to follow a healthy lifestyle along with the skincare routine to maintain your skin radiance and youthfulness along the years that you age. So you have to follow this daily routine. After that, once a week, after you're done with your daily routine, you need to do a weekly routine, which is like a weekly cleansing routine, which you need to do either on the weekends, like on Saturdays and Sundays, when you have ample amount of time in hand, so you can follow that weekend routine from the same brand, and I'll show you what you need to do. So first, obviously, you need to cleanse your face with a face wash. On a clean face, again, you need to use a scrub. So I have recently discovered this scrub from the brand Plum. So it is a green tea revival face scrub. It is very mild for people who are acne prone, who have an acne prone combination or oily skin. So this scrub works wonders for your skin. You need to just use it once a week. Don't do over scrubbing, because over scrubbing can aggravate your acne conditions. So don't over scrub, just scrub it once a week, and that's about it. So first you need to cleanse with a face wash, then you need to use a scrub, and then you need to use the magical product which will do wonders for your skin. So the product is again from Plum. It is their green tea clear face mask. It looks like this. So it is an amazing product because it is clay based face mask. It will extract all the impurities from your skin. It will make your face look matte if you have an oily skin, and it has amazing benefits of green tea which will help in controlling your acne conditions. So this is the CTM which you need to follow every day, and this is the weekly routine which you need to follow, like on Saturday, either on Saturday or Sunday, whenever you have time on hand. And the most important thing is that not using products will not help your skin. You need to also have an active and a balanced and a healthy lifestyle along with it. So for that, first you need to drink a lot of water. Water is very essential for your skin, so you cannot skip water. So you need to drink a lot of water. You need to exercise, you need to sweat it out, because it will open your pores and gives you a healthy glowing skin. So you need to have an active lifestyle. You need to quit smoking. Smoking is bad, smoking is injurious to health. Smoking, alcohol, you need to quit. Quit sugar. Trust me when I say quit sugar, because I know sugar is addictive. I know I am a big fan of sugar. I have a major sweet tooth and I always crave for sugar. I know it's difficult to quit sugar, but say no to sugar as much as you can. Once a while it's okay, once a while you can cheat, but you can quit sugar as much as possible. And the fifth and the most important thing, that live a stress-free life. If you are under some major stress, try to release your stress via yoga or some meditation or some other form of like physical activity, because if you live a stressful life, it will show up on your face. So guys, don't take stress in any form. Stress is very harmful for your skin, for your hair. So guys, I hope that you find this video useful. If you do so, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll see you around. Bye.